Hi Leos, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for December 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to dive into these oracle decks that I have here. Leos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would like to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading, Leos. Towards the final days of November, stepping into December 2021, we have the King of Wands. Most definitely, you were coming across as a leader. I think you were singled out or appreciated on account of your creativity. Besides, I think there were clients or customers. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that in this time you needed to bury the hatchet and move on. Maybe there were disagreements with friends or even with your mom, which you needed to sort out. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that December is going to pose for you is the Tower card. I think you need to brace yourself because there's going to be hectic activity. Possibly, there'll be quick communication as well. In Leos, you should control the situation instead of allowing it to go out of hand. Sometimes, issues could also snowball into bigger problems, so it's better to nip them in the bud. It would also be advisable, Leos, if you would read between the lines or if you would review the tasks that you do to rule out the errors that are going to be there. Influences for this month, we have the Seven of Swords. I think someone is going to be quite deceptive this month. Possibly, you need to read between the lines. Maybe somebody you're dealing with is not open and is keeping his cards close to his chest. Ideally, I think, Leos, you need to be tactful and polite. Sometimes, you may also feel that your good intentions are never acknowledged. Your relationships could also be affected on account of money or lack of work opportunities. I think even if there are reunions, you have to be very careful because they could not turn out to be happy. In fact, there could be disagreements. Basically, this is the Swords energy, so certainly you need to be very decisive or you need to use your intelligence to tackle the problems that may arise. The first 10 days of December, we have the Magician card. I think you're going to be in an investigative mode. You want to get to the bottom of things. Maybe this month you will also be perturbed on account of the delays. Maybe your superior is not going to give everything away or expects you to do the groundwork without giving a lot of information. That means that you have to be ready for the grind. Maybe somebody is also not believing in you or your ideas. Sometimes, you could also be disturbed on account of the limitations imposed upon you by your family. Nevertheless, I think divine intervention is at hand. You should also be careful of your belongings this first 10 days. You could misplace them. We did clarify the Magician and we have the Knight of Swords energy, so certainly you're going to be in an adventurous mood. You want to cut through these obstacles. Like I said, you need to adapt or you need to even adjust to the whims and fancies of your superior. Certainly, being flexible is going to allow you to progress by leaps and bounds. I think you're somebody who's also willing to go the extra mile to earn some quick bucks in this time. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th December, we have the Six of Cups for you. I think this is the time when you could be gripped by nostalgia. You see this lady here, she seems to be all by herself and she's ruminating about what's happened. Maybe there's also a break in a relationship or you could be thinking about a past incident. Nevertheless, I think you are going to be somebody who is going to benefit on account of your acquaintances. I think gains can be expected. Maybe some of you also need to shift to another place to work, though you don't want to do so. Even if there are delays, I think you can take heart from the fact that you're able to complete the tasks one after the other. Sometimes, the environment could be quite oppressive. Maybe your superior is somebody who is saddling you with excess work or who is resorting to bullying, so you feel that it is time to move to another place. I think you need to face these challenges because it's going to prepare you for better days ahead. Opportunities to make money will definitely be there for you. The final days of December, that is towards 21st to 31st December, we have the Queen of Cups. Certainly, you're coming across as someone who's quite beautiful and magnetic. I think you're also quite intuitive. But the Queen of Cups is also somebody who gets worked up on account of the problems that are there. Maybe there's somebody who is trying to usurp your position, or somebody who is trying to undermine your authority at work. That is why you want to put your foot down. Feel as though you want to assert yourself, you want to put this person in his place. But I think you should also be collaborative. You should keep your ego aside. Maybe somebody around you, even your superiors, could ask you to look into your own nature. I think it would be advisable to forgive and forget, though it's going to be quite hard. Like I said, Leos, this month you need to be tactful and diplomatic, but then sometimes, by blowing the pipe of peace, people take us to be meek. Perhaps it's time to put things into perspective. With respect to your love life, I have this card. I just have to do something else right now. Please try and understand. Possibly the person you're dealing with is bogged down on account of work. Maybe you feel this person is also quite secretive or is not being honest about his feelings. I think in all likelihood you could meet someone on account of work. Perhaps, Leos, you should go with the flow. Maybe you think that family limitations could mean that this relationship may not work. That is why you're going to rethink your moves. Maybe you're going to distance yourself from this person. That is why this card is implying, I just have to do something else right now. Please try and understand. Even if this person pulls at your heartstrings, you just want to keep your distance from this person. Perhaps, Leos, you should understand that this person has been an integral part of your past life. I think you should also realize that this is not going to be the last you hear of this person. Maybe destiny will also bring you back together in the future. I'm also picking up that there could be more than one person who's showing an interest in you. I think this person re-emerges or he resurfaces in your life every now and then, so you wonder what are his true feelings. Those of you who are romancing, I think your lover is also somebody who's quite insecure. Maybe he feels that if he goes overboard, then you could lose interest in him. Leos, you need to reassure your person that you're not going anywhere. Surprises also on the cards. Maybe you could surprise each other with gifts. In case you are in an unhappy connection, I think unfaithfulness could be an issue here for some Leos. Maybe you should appreciate each other. From the Angel Therapy deck, we have this card, Indigo. It says you're the person you're inquiring about is a highly sensitive and natural born leader. I think you could be dealing with someone who's quite spirited and strong-willed, or you could be exhibiting those qualities in this month. Maybe some of you also divinely guided to help Indigo children. These children could be misunderstood, or they could be diagnosed with labels such as attention deficit disorder or hyperactivity disorder because of their lightning fast thinking style, intuitive sensitivities. The last card in this reading, Leos, is surrender. You need to surrender to what fate has in store for you or what destiny has in store for you. Sometimes, you have to surrender your ego. Like I said, there could be some person who's trying to pull the rug from under your feet or who's trying to make you insecure. You need to realize that ego has no place in relationships. Once you let go of the E, then it becomes easier to move onward or to develop spiritually. Maybe for some of you it's also possible that you are not willing to take the plunge with respect to a love connection because you feel that you have to surrender to what your family has to say. I think you're somebody who's going to look at the bigger picture, who's going to weigh the pros and cons this month. Maybe that is why you're coming across as the Seven of Swords energy, someone who is quite deceptive when it comes to your own feelings. Perhaps there are a lot of hidden things and you need to scratch deeper. I hope, Leos, you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.